This is my Victorinox Huntsman. We have the large blade, stainless, less than 3 inches, and a small blade. Small blade good for opening the boxes. And we have a saw, very useful saw. And then there's a scissor. The one thing about good in Huntsman is the scissor. It's the best scissor. There is a flathead screw with can opener and wire stripper. Another one is a can opener as well, and small flathead screw. And there's another owl for pressing some wood and some leather, and corkscrew with small eyeglass screwdriver. Yeah, that's it. And there's some hook, parcel hook. I use it for untightening the paracords. And there's one thing more, pin. It's a pin for opening the SIM card and other things to pierce. Then the useful toothpick, very useful to take out some gunks on your teeth. And done. Good. Huntsman Victorinox.